Raza, sí saben como en los tiempos de antes Pablo Escobar volaba viejas a ir a verlo de toda la nación. Yo estoy como Pablo Escobar, yo vuelo tuneadores. O bueno, un tuneador, ¿verdad, güey?
Es que cambias cada ratito, ¿verdad, güey?
Sí,
Tienes
sí.
que volar.
I'm just itching now because I want to see a 2000 on there on the dyno, you know, so. I did a little hit on the street on it yesterday.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Hey, we know mames.
Nah, it was just a little tap. Alright guys, today is the day guys. We are back with another video. And we are at the shop Houston today. We came to rent out their hub dyno because we are tuning this beast right here, Uncle Juan's truck. And we are tuning my red truck finally today as well. Now, my uncle's truck has the nice big motor, everything, the whole 9 yards. This truck should make a lot of power. We're gonna max out these turbos for sure. We're gonna max out these turbos. We already got some new ones on the way, some bigger ones. So that's not a problem today. It should make over whatever it makes. It's gonna make. This truck's really fast, so it doesn't matter. We don't care about the horsepower. But these turbos are gone. We're about to put some new turbos on it. But we actually flew out my boy Alex from New Era, from California. He actually was in Jalisco yesterday for the Tepa race. So from Tepa, from Jalisco, he flew straight here to Houston last night, and we are here right now. Today's Monday morning, and he's gonna be tuning this truck today, and we're gonna be tuning my red truck today as well. So this one should make all the power in the world. Mine, we're probably only gonna be able to throw like 20 pounds at it because, no, I'm broke, and it has a steel rod motor, and the motor's not gonna handle that much. It'll probably make like 1800 horsepower on 20 pounds, and anything over that, the rods will break. This one, we can throw whatever we want on it. It's like a bulletproof billet motor, whatever. So, what we got going on today, guys? I want you to go ahead and drop a comment already and guess how much horsepower this truck's gonna put on today's dyno session. And on mine too as well. So, drop us comment, drop us guess. Roy, how much do you think it's gonna put down?
Man, it should put down 2,500, 3 grand maybe.
It'll make 3,000 horsepower, but the turbos are maxed. These turbos are gonna be maxed. We already ordered some new ones for it.
Yeah, we order.
But we're getting the trucks ready for the Cinco de Mayo race, which is May 8th and May 9th at XRP. Shout out to my boy Gustavo and Rody. There's gonna be a $5,000 payout plus buy-ins for the full-size all-out truck class. So we're getting these trucks ready for that event, and stay tuned, guys. Espérate, güey, se le cayó el teléfono a mi tuneador, espérate, güey. Espérate, güey. Ahí está el teléfono de gas. Ay. Raza, sí saben como en los tiempos de antes, Pablo Escobar volaba viejas a ir a verlo de toda la nación. Yo estoy como Pablo Escobar, yo vuelo tuneadores. O bueno, un tuneador, ¿verdad, güey?
Es que cambias cada ratito, ¿verdad, güey?
Sí,
Tienes
sí.
que volar a
Ya
diferentes.
estoy como Pablo Escobar, yo en vez de volar, no vuelo viejas, pero vuelo tuneadores para acá. Alright guys, first pass on wastegate. System clear, all the fueling and stuff. Fuck, the M1 fucking me up. Fuck. Cuidado, Chris.
Está regañando. Que porque tengo clientes económicos. Que porque hay culiates para comprar alcohol. Ya se acabaron 2.
Ya se acabaron 2 y que nomás trajiste 4.
Espérame.
A mí me dijiste que compraste 10 pinches 55 gallon
10 de bujías, no mames.
y 10 de bujillas. No, yo pensé que iba a tener para todo el día.
No, pues
Ahí llegó el camión, mira.
yo vine preparado, mira.
No.
No, they said I'm one here.
Sí, sí.
Yeah, he told me that's why I only got 2. Well, I got 4 jugs. That's 20 gallons.
Ya se lo mamó.
Ya.
Apenas vamos empezando.
Güey, te trajimos, güey, para que nos dieras fuel economy, no para hacer mamadas.
¿Querías MPGs?
So how much mile per gallon are we getting right now?
60 feet. You're getting 3 seconds per 3 gallons. So you get 1 gallon a second. Es lo que chupa esa cosa.
So right now it made 1600 horsepower. First it made 1400 on 14 pounds. And he turned it up to 22. But it actually hit the boost safety real quick because it peaked 23 and it went down to 16 and it made 1600. So it's good right now. We do think the turbos are gonna max out though. We're thinking. We're gonna see, well, once he hits it with like 30 pounds, 32 pounds, we'll see what the turbos are gonna. But we know for sure these turbos are kind of small for this setup. But it should still make good power. Everything looks smooth right now. Fueling's good and everything. And it sounds really healthy.
but that was more boost to say.
I didn't touch the dome settings. I just held it longer, so it made more boost.
It sounded like it made more boost.
Mira como está el patrón bien estresado. Ya míralo, fume y fume. Sí, ahí estamos con eso.
But I also threw 2 degrees timing and I leaned on a little bit harder.
It sounded like they came on faster than turbos. A little bit faster.
Okay, now I flatline. 27.
27, ¿está bien?
26.9, 27.
The airport fucking me up, boy.
Y no es el tiempo, más no más.
One of them falls off, right? The EGT?
They're cold. They get cold as soon as they get to the boost. Pero
That means the turbos are big weight, so
they just want less fuel and more timing. But that was 2 degrees more, and it picked up 100.
105,
105. It was 17.
1609 or 1690 something.
same boost. ¿Usted checó la bujía?
Hay que ver, mira, la que está más caliente va a ser la 3. Pero fue cuando le salté que it spiked up, not when I was making the pull. Check 3.
Nosotros checamos.
Wow, chequea la nueva que metimos.
Yeah.
And 3.
Why is yellow?
Here's yellow, what the fuck?
It's pink yellow.
Sí, hey, ¿no es 91?
No, nigga, it's alcohol, pero ever since I think some shit in the can.
Well, the threads went down, yeah.
Yeah, but look when you let me get them.
Alright guys, so remember how I told you this motor is a steel rod motor, so it's rated for 2000 flywheel horsepower? Well, we're at 1800 wheel. I don't know if we should leave, and that's 26 pounds. 1800 wheel horsepower on 26. I'm just itching now because I want to see a 2000 on the dyno, you know? So Nira told us to leave it like that, let the little motor live for a while, have fun. But we're already here. We already wasted the money. We already rented the dyno for the whole day. We got this one tuned. This one made 2000. This one's borderline 2000. Nira flew all the way over here from Jalisco, because he was in Jalisco, but he's from Cali. I think it's just time to fuck it, right, Roy? 2000? Just one time though, just that one time.
No, dice metanol, güey.
No, it is methanol. It looks like 85.
I don't know, but it's making powers. Leave it alone.
Leave it alone. I think we got a defective methanol drum because that motherfucker yellow. No sé si vieron ahorita, pero casi le dimos vuelta a todo el hub completo, todo el dyno. But you put a degree on there or left the same?
Same timing, same everything. I just held it. I pulled it longer so it spiked.
Yeah.
No, sí, ya. ¿No te quejaste de una vez los 2000, güey?
No lo saca ya.
¿Que ya me mació la bomba? ¿Verdad?
No, mació las bielas.
No, ya va a ser todo. Y ahorita le pedimos una botella de nitro acá empezada, güey, la ponemos enfrente. Préndanla.
Hey, that bitch sounds nasty on the two-step.
See, like it shuts up a little bit and then that's why the timing gets cool.
That's when the timing gets cool.
See, I was about to say that. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's videos. The trucks made really good power, guys. We are gonna be getting ready for Cinco de Mayo show. Big shout out to my boy New Era. Big shout out to the boys from Passing the Speed Shop. The trucks work flawlessly. My truck, it made really good power. Honestly, I'm happy. For being that motor, I mean, it's not a cheap motor. Well, it's a cheap motor for the caliber of truck. It's not a cheap motor for what is worth it. It's when you're in the race world, it's all different. Money, there's levels to money and levels to motors, and this motor is just like a baseline motor to start going fast. So let's say this motor is like $25,000 to go fast, or to make over 2,000 horsepower, 2,300, 2,400, like Juan's truck. You need a way more expensive motor. You need a motor that's like 35, 40, 50, 60. Juan's motor was like 65,000, just so I can have an idea. My motor is 25, Juan's is 65. Now the new motor we're putting for the truck, that one's gonna be a different monster as well. It's gonna put way more power, way more expensive and stuff like that. But for now, to get the fuel for the truck and to start testing, this is plenty of power. I'm surprised the rod stayed in there. New Era did a good job on the tuning, and it made really good power. I'm excited to start testing. We just got a few little things to bolt up on the truck. We're gonna connect a few more sensors, and this week is full of rain, so we're probably not gonna test this week in Houston. We're probably gonna wait till next week. Also, my boy New Era is gonna fly out back over here, well, to Dallas for the Cinco de Mayo show, which is May 8th and May 9th. So he's gonna be giving us track support all weekend on both trucks over there as well. So we already got that scheduled as well. Now we're just waiting for the motor of the maroon truck. Hopefully we get that one back too, so we can take it to Cinco de Mayo. And probably this week we will go get y'all an update on the 150, because I really want to take that truck too to the show. So guys, with that being said, this video is over. Appreciate all the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the videos. Also, I think tomorrow I'm gonna take the truck to get the body work done already. What color should we wrap the truck, guys? Or just tell me what color to paint it or wrap it. Just what color? I don't know. In maroon. There's a new blue color that Ford came out with. I don't know. I like blue, but I don't know. I just feel like I have to do it maroon, but it's too many maroon trucks already. So what color should I wrap it? Yeah, drop a comment below and let me know what color y'all want to see. Something nice though, not no yellow or green or nothing like that. So something cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next vlog.